Okay, so here's the Parrot Bebop drone with the original battery installed. So if I just hit the battery button and wait a bit, the motors will spin up. Yep, just like that. And the Bebop is on, indicated by the little green light. But the problem is, this battery actually has a fault where it'll cut out after 2 minutes of flying time. So I've got a battery here from the original Parrot AR Drone 2.0. It's still a 3-cell battery with the same connector. So as you can see, it's got the same battery connector as the original one. So as you can see, the original Parrot AR Drone 2 battery fits. Alright, so as you can see, the battery is in there. Now the big question, will it boot up? We've got a green flashing light. It's booting up. There we go. The Parrot AR Drone battery works in the Parrot Bebop. Now the original Bebop battery is 1200 milliamp hours, where the original Parrot AR Drone battery is only 1000. But still, it'll fly. Alright, let's take it outside and try. Here we are, we're connected, and we've got the Parrot AR Drone 2 battery on the Parrot Bebop. Alright, here we go. Parrot AR Drone 2 battery on the Bebop. Take off. Come on. Okay. Well, I think that's pretty definitive. It works. So, let's have a look. There's the battery. Right, as you can see, it's working. So that's the original Parrot AR Drone 2 battery on the Bebop. Go up, and there we go, it's working. Alrighty, I'll try and bring it back. There we go. It works.